and welcome back to the Sanders Kitchen. I'm Pam Sanders. My husband Mike's behind the camera. Hey, babe. Anyway, today we're going to make a delicious Santa Fe chicken salad. This is a salad that we used to get at a restaurant that we went to all the time. This was our go-to salad. It was always so good. Well, last time we went there, they took it off their menu. So we've recreated it in our kitchen. And we're going to show you what's in this delicious salad. We have our red onion, black olives, some fresh corn off the cob, some fresh lime. Of course, we have our chicken breast. We're going to use part of that. We have our little sides here. This is a salsa, a guacamole salsa, some sour cream, and some picante sauce. We have the tri-colored little tortilla strips, some tomatoes, avocado. Of course, the base has got to be lettuce. We're going to use this little Hidden Valley Ranch Chipotle Southwest dressing, which is really, really good. We have 2 cheeses that we're going to freshly grate. This is a pepper jack and a cheddar. Then we're going to make a rub for our chicken breast, which is EMERIL'S Essence with cumin, and we're going to let you know how much we use, and that's going to be the rub for our chicken. We're going to start by butterflying our chicken breast. I'm telling you, that was so easy. It helps when you have a good knife. My honey sharpened all of our knives yesterday. Awesome. Thank you, babe. Now I'm going to show you how we make our rub. This is really, really easy. We are using a little EMERIL'S Essence, and I am going to use 3 teaspoons of EMERIL'S Essence and a teaspoon of cumin. And we're going to mix that together and coat all the sides of our chicken with this. It smells good. And then we're going to turn over and season the other side too. And we're going to let these sit for a little bit, and that way all this goodness will absorb into the flavor of the meat. And we're going to prepare all of our things to go into our salad. But this already smells good, 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 good. And it's easy, easy. Okay, we'll let these sit, and we'll be back to assemble our salad. We're going to put the salad together now. First, we're going to start with our lettuce, which is a mixture of iceberg and romaine, which you got to wash, and we have a nice little salad spinner, which is a great, great tool to have, because you don't want wet lettuce as your base of your salad. And so we'll just arrange this really nice and pretty. And then we'll start building our salad from there. We're going to go ahead and give it a nice little drizzle of our salad dressing. This is going to give us a delicious base for our salad. Now, this is the secret ingredient. These little crunchy strips. This gives you that surprise little crunch in your salad as you're eating your salad. Eating it all together, and you get all these wonderful little crunchies in there. Okie doke. Oop, made a mess there. Now we're going to go ahead and put some little beautiful little onion rings. Now making this salad is pretty much like going to a salad bar. You pick and choose. You got a lot of different things you could put on here. If there's something that you see that we're putting on that you don't care for, then just don't use it. Got some beautiful little tomatoes here that I've cut in half, little cherry tomatoes. These are really good. Put those. You can put more or less of anything that we're using. It's just on your taste. Have black olives, which I love black olives. I mean, it looks beautiful right now. It's a beautiful picture. Don't even have the chicken on it yet. And then I have some fresh corn, which we cut off the cob. Nice and fresh. Now we have some delicious cheese that we cut. We have some cheddar. I'm just going to sprinkle that all over the salad. This is so good. A little pepper jack cheese. Just a little bit. Well, this is a beautiful base to our Santa Fe chicken salad. So the next step is the easiest, very, very quick. We're going to go ahead and grill up our chicken breast, slice those up, layer it on top with some nice fresh avocado. So let's grill up our chicken. Well, let's check our oil and our pan. Ooh, okay, right at about 345, it's time to put the chicken in. It's ready, 165. I've already cut my avocado in half because you know sometimes it's a surprise, you're not sure, but let's see what we got. Oh, it's a good one. So we're going to go ahead and slice up this avocado. All right. Ooh, it's pretty. And it peels very nicely too. Of course, this one is giving me a little trouble here. There we go. That's nice. Nice avocado. Gives a nice freshness to the salad. It's always so good. When we were little, we used to call these, well, even now down here in South Louisiana, we call these alligator pear. I don't know if anybody else does that, but that's what we used to call them. Our chicken breast has rested, so let's slice it up. Look how pretty this is. This salad is so beautiful. I mean, it looks like a masterpiece. But there's no way I can eat this whole salad. There is no way. It feels like it'd be a shame just to even mess it up because it's so pretty. But I'm going to go ahead and make myself a little plate for myself, and we'll come back and give it a taste test. I am so hungry. I can't wait to try this, but I have to put my little toppings on what I like on my salad. I like this green guacamole salsa. It's not too hot, but it's just so flavorful for me. And then another thing that I absolutely have to have is sour cream. Now, one thing that we did leave off this salad, and it was a total mistake, is cilantro. I love cilantro. I know there's a lot of people that can't stand it, but this is something that I would really like. You could put jalapeno peppers on here. It's really up to you. And then I like to top it off with a nice squeeze of fresh lime. I hope it doesn't get on the camera, but anyway, a little lime. I'm going to cut this up and go in for a taste. Little avocado. Nice hunk of chicken. Here we go. I can't wait. Well, I'm telling you, this salad was definitely a winner. It's a repeat performance in our house. We absolutely love it. The flavors of the rub that we made for the chicken was so simple, and just that little touch of cumin gave it that little Southwest kick, which is, I like it. And then also the Chipotle ranch dressing underneath. It gives it a really, really good flavor. If you want to add more to your salad when you're done, you can, but a little drizzle underneath with all your toppings is usually plenty enough to make your salad just perfect for you. Again, like I said, I wish I'd had cilantro, but not everybody likes it. But you can make this your own. It's just your little mini Southwest salad bar. Thank y'all so much for cooking with us in the Sanders Kitchen today. We hope that you really enjoy this Santa Fe chicken salad and it becomes one of your favorites as it is one of ours. So if you do like this video and you enjoyed everything that we do, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, that's very important, and hit that little notification button, and that way you know when our new videos are coming out. So thanks again for being with us today. We love y'all and God bless.